What was that?
But won't some of the other minerals be harder than the glass?
Yeah, they will, right? So like this is chalcopyrite, for example, right? And it's this pretty, can I get the camera to look at this? It's this very pretty metallic looking gold or copper looking mineral, right? And if you scratch glass with it, ooh, it actually is not harder. Let's pretend for that it is harder. Even though it's harder than glass, it's still obvious that it's not, you know, quartz, right? Because its smoking gun is color, in fact, that it's got this really beautiful shine to it. So yes, there are going to be some minerals that have the same physical property, but the smoking gun is going to be one of those properties that really stands out.
Okay.
So even though you're going to have some that are still harder than glass, there are really going to be few of them, and also those other minerals are going to have another physical property that lets you know pretty easily that they're not quartz.
Okay. So out of all the milky or clear stones, quartz is the hard. That's what you mean by the smoking gun.
Yeah, okay. And not only is it the hard one, it also does not have other physical properties, which we'll go over in just a second.